All right, so we are outside and we are going to do the science experiment for Tuesday. So you need a cake pan. I have an aluminum cake pan. If you don't have an aluminum one, you can ask your mom or dad which one you could use that's glass. We're just gonna put dirt in it so it'll wash out really easily. You need 12 ice cubes or so. You need 250 milliliters of water, which is, if you can see it on there, 1 cup is 250 milliliters. So you need a cup of water. And you need soy leaves, sticks, rocks, and you need a ruler. So I'm outside because where else are you going to find soy leaves, sticks, and rocks, right? And I also have a trowel because I don't like digging in the dirt. All right, so I am going to move the iPad down to the ground level. All right, so the first thing we're going to do in our pan is we are going to use the soil leaves, sticks, and rocks to form a land mass on one side of the pan. Okay, ugh. So I'm going to dig up some dirt and I'm going to put it in my pan and I'm going to try to get some of these sticks and leaves and stuff in there. There's like a stick, okay? So putting that into the pan and patting it down so it looks like that. Okay, so it's half in the pan. All right. Then, on the other side of the pan, you're going to add the water. Hold on. Okay, so then on the other side of the pan, you're going to take your water and you are going to add the water to the pan. Woo! And you are going to add the ice cubes to the pan. Okay? And then you are going to measure the amount of dry land with a ruler. So make sure when you're measuring with your ruler that you've got the 0. You can measure in inches or you can measure in centimeters. So I'm going to stick my ruler in there and I'm going to measure the amount of dry land. So I'm at about 2.5 centimeters. Okay? Now you're going to write that down. After your ice melts completely, so if you're doing this outside, it shouldn't take too long, you're going to measure the amount of land again. Okay? So you're going to have to leave this sit to melt. And you're going to have to walk away, and when it's all melted, you can come back and then measure the land again. So what we're trying to find out is how sea levels affect tigers. Okay, so maybe this is something you remember talking about when we talked about glaciers and polar bears. Okay, it's the same idea. Something is going to happen to the land that the water is going to take something away from it. So leave it sit, measure it again, and that is your science experiment. When you're done, you can dump your whole cake tray back out into the yard or in the woods somewhere. And don't forget to wash up after yourself. Bye.